Alright, we're going back now.
After 88 days.
After 88 days, we are now checking in Christchurch Airport, going back Singapore. Yes. Going to Air New Zealand Lounge now. Okay, going back home now. This is the Singapore Airlines. Alright, completed our 3 months vacation in New Zealand. Total 88 days. We traveled 25,000 kilometers surrounding all North and South Island from Cape Reinga all the way to Bluff. What a wonderful trip. Let's go back to Singapore. Cheers. Yeah. Bottles of champagne. I am drunk. 多了 2 bottles of champagne. 多了 Bye bye. Singapore. Finally come back after 88 days.